Excellencies, esteemed panelists, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Deeply privileged to welcome you to this special event being organized on the occasion of the 132nd birth anniversary of Baba Saheb Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, eminent jurist, India's first law minister, father of the Constitution of India, the strongest crusader of social justice and equity, and so much more. In this, the Permanent Mission of India is very pleased to partner with the Foundation for Human Horizon, a prominent NGO engaged in furthering the Sustainable Development Goals. Our warm thanks to the Foundation. Dr. Ambedkar had stressed, and I quote, "We are Indians, firstly and lastly," emphasizing that all Indians, regardless of their caste, religion, or social status, should be treated equally and enjoy equal rights and opportunities. And the Government of India's motto, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, emphasizes just that, a society where everyone should have equal opportunities to succeed regardless of their background or circumstance. Colleagues, today's topic for discussion, therefore, is very relevant. The midterm review of the SDGs beckons, September 2023 to be precise, and at a time when we need to turbocharge the SDGs to ensure the social and economic development of one and all. How then can artificial intelligence power social justice? How can artificial intelligence overcome barriers and unleash opportunities for all? Let me turn to the India story and what the world's largest and certainly one of the oldest democracies is doing to ensure just that. But first, some statistics, as always. According to the Stanford AI Index Report 2023, India has the highest level of AI skill penetration worldwide. As we all know, any AI system needs data as its fundamental building ingredient. India creates enormous volumes of data every day as a result of its more than 700 million internet users, 1.21 billion phone users, and 1.26 billion Aadhaar users. Staggering, I'm sure, these figures. It boasts the largest customer base for some of the biggest international internet service providers. It also provides the most affordable internet services in the world. And our robust IT sector ensures the availability of qualified human resources. A perfect match, you might say. India is thus on the verge of the AI revolution that we often speak of, and as the Indian Prime Minister has put it, and I shall paraphrase him, New India is where everyone has equal opportunities and rights, free from oppression and progressing through the strength of technology. So you might ask me, where has our focus been? Well, our commitment to using AI for social empowerment has given us the idea to use it in the sectors of agriculture, healthcare, education, etc., as just some examples. Very quickly onto agriculture, the Indian government has created AI algorithms to forecast agricultural yields, assisting farmers in making more informed decisions about their crops and lowering the chance of losses. This has aided in enhancing farmers' financial circumstances and advancing social justice in the agricultural industry. The National Agricultural Market, or the eNAM, is an online marketplace for agricultural products that was established in 2016 and employs artificial intelligence and other technologies to create a unified national market. By eliminating middlemen and maintaining fair prices, it enables farmers to sell their produce directly to consumers across the nation. On the medical front, AI is being employed to assist in the diagnosis and treatment of ailments in India's underserved regions. For instance, in rural sections of the nation where conventional diagnostic techniques are not widely accessible, AI-powered diagnostic tools are being utilized to diagnose tuberculosis, for example. The eSanjeevani scheme was launched in 2019 by the Government of India and aims to provide healthcare services to people in rural and remote areas of India where access to healthcare is limited. The service uses a web-based platform that enables patients to consult with doctors remotely through video conferencing. The service is free of cost for patients and is available in Hindi, English, and other regional languages. As of 2021, the eSanjeevani telemedicine service has been implemented in over 30 states and union territories of India and has provided over 1.5 million teleconsultations to patients. This supports social fairness in these communities and increases access to healthcare. Another point, the Ayushman Bharat healthcare program of India is also the world's largest government-funded program. Almost 100 million poor and vulnerable households in India have access to health insurance through this Government of India flagship program. In order to pinpoint high-risk populations, enhance healthcare delivery, and save healthcare costs, the plan makes use of AI and data analytics. Let's turn very quickly to education now. The Indian government has started a number of programs to use AI to educate the marginalized populations. The government has, for instance, developed the Diksha portal as a project to offer digital education to pupils in public schools all across the nation. Students' learning experiences are personalized on the platform and they have access to tools and high-quality information. And what about the most marginalized in India? Well, the Indian government has revamped the Eklavya model residential schools to offer individualized and flexible learning opportunities, AI-powered teaching aids, and digital learning materials to our tribal children. By the way, there are almost 600 Eklavya model residential schools across our country. A note of caution in all of this: as true for any technology, there is a need to take required measures and put in place adequate safeguards to ensure that AI systems are not misused or guided by biases leading to discrimination. As said, the advance of digital superintelligence must be symbiotic with humanity. In this way, the Niti Aayog of India, or the Planning Commission, has devised a strategy titled Towards Responsible AI for All, which aims to establish broad ethics principles for the design, development, and deployment of artificial intelligence in India, drawing on similar global initiatives, but grounded in the Indian legal and regulatory context. Ladies and gentlemen, the jury is out. If harnessed properly, artificial intelligence can generate enormous prosperity and opportunity, leading to vastly more productive and efficient economies. As I close, I will say that we are indeed fortunate that we have such an impressive panel of experts to reflect upon the use of AI systems for social justice. Importantly, we have diverse representation from government to private sector to civil society to inform our discussions from different perspectives. I once again thank all of you for your participation, mostly to this wonderful audience as well, and look forward to a fascinating discussion. Thank you.